We got a boil. And now the next step is to add in these lemon slices. The lady on the video's lemon slices were prettier than mine. And I'm adding more than she added because I'm making more than she made. Okay. And I already adjusted the salt and pepper to taste.
Mine's a lot lower than it was.
No, it isn't. Let me heat my lid 2 minutes. Okay.
No good time.
And I'm going to add the remaining of this to make it like a gravy. And if it's not thick, it's not like a really thick sauce that goes on it. It's not like a gravy. It's like more of a little bit of a thicker sauce than this is.
It goes on the chicken.
Yeah, the chicken's going to go back in here and get the flavor of this. And it says to add more lemon if necessary. So I'm going to taste this and see if I need more lemon in it. It's pretty lemony. I'm going to throw in the garlic bud real quick.
Homemade that garlic bread.
What?
Yeah, made that garlic bread.
I had it already prepped. I've shown how to make garlic bread on my shows. The one that we make. Do you want to see if you think it tastes lemony enough?
Sure.
It's going to be hot. And you're 34 years old. And mommy's still blowing your food for you. You taste lemon?
Yeah, it tastes lemon.
Okay.
Sweet.
Okay. I'm going to add the chicken. I need my little
Where?
handy dandy.
Exchange.
Shut up. And I'm going to do it like this right now, but I got to do it in parts.